What if I told you making $1 million is easier than making $100,000? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why. When you're aiming for $100,000, you compete with many. But aiming for $1 million? It's a higher league with fewer players. You'll need innovative ideas, not just hard work. Networking is key. You'll meet high-value contacts. People support million-dollar visions more than $100,000 plans. Compounding occurs when the returns on investments generate further returns, creating exponential growth over time. The larger the initial investment, the greater the effect of compounding, as interest or dividends are earned on both the principal and prior gains. Investing $100,000 at a 7% annual return yields $7,000 in the first year. Over time, as the returns are reinvested, the growth accelerates, making it easier to reach $1 million. By the time someone earns $100,000, they typically have a better understanding of financial markets, personal budgeting, and investment strategies. This knowledge enables them to make smarter decisions that maximize returns. You'll access better resources and opportunities. Studies show that wealthier individuals often have more financial literacy, allowing them to access better opportunities, diversify portfolios, and minimize risks. The mindset shift empowers you to dream bigger. With a larger capital base, individuals can leverage their investments, meaning they can use borrowed money or assets to enhance returns. This technique accelerates wealth accumulation when managed correctly. A real estate investor with $100,000 can finance additional properties by leveraging their initial capital through mortgages, allowing them to control more valuable assets and multiply their returns. Having $100,000 opens doors to larger-scale opportunities, such as investing in higher-return assets, starting a business, or entering markets that were previously inaccessible due to capital constraints. Entrepreneurs with $100,000 can scale a business more easily, hire talent, or invest in technology, leading to greater profitability and the potential to quickly multiply their wealth. Hit the like button if you found this useful.